Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends. My YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully friends you will be fine. You are spending good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome. I shared with you beautiful ideas that are very beautiful and are completely different to each other. In this video I shared with you beautiful ideas, beautiful design that are completely different to each other. So friend, let's come and I shared with you beautiful crochet table runners ideas. I hope you will enjoy my videos which are very beautiful and are green text ideas. In this video I shared with you, and these ideas are completely different to each other, so you will enjoy my ideas. And friends, you will begin different type of thinking criteria to watching this video. These are very beautiful ideas that are related to the crochet criteria and are different to each other. किसका आंटी ने मेरे साथ आप पे बनाया था पहले. Hopefully you will begin different ideas which I shared with you in this video, and hopefully you will begin different type of criteria watching this video. I hope you will enjoy these ideas that are related to the crochet pattern. Thank you friends, I hope you will enjoy my ideas which I shared with you in this video, and these ideas are completely different to each other. You will gain different type of knowledge watching my videos, and these are very unique ideas, are completely different to each other. Next time I will meet you with a beautiful designs and introduce new and great